times those hairs up top just won't behave. Here is a trick I do with my blow dryer that takes care of those stray hairs in just a minute. To smooth these hairs up top, you're just going to be working on all the sections around your part. Just going to grab this section, hold your hair straight out, and point the nozzle in the direction that the hair grows. That way the airflow will smooth the frizz. Now I'm just going to spray an anti-humidity spray or anything that gives you hold and moisture. And that's what I call taking care of frizzness.